stadium.
You go to Malaysia stadium?
No, just in Vietnam.
Vietnam.
The football they see just from Malaysia Vietnam to Malaysia one. I think just come back Vietnam win. I red color one fan go to Vietnam just one
goal to goal.
3, 4. I go home just tomorrow yesterday I sleeping.
Oh.
Just now in the morning from Malaysia.
Cannot we go back home.
Trên Malaysia I think good.
Good.
1.5 and 4 goal. Vietnam the second half Vietnam 2 goal but Vietnam.
After this Thailand, right? Thailand is strong.
And now Malaysia Thailand go Vietnam out.
No. Vietnam.
Next year.
Third place. Good. Cepat.